What guys, we're on the beach on Friday. So I'm gonna show you, this is another beach now. So this is not the same beach that we used to go. So this is a different place. So I'm gonna give you a view. And happy weekend! So as you can see guys, from here, this is not also crowded place. We like this here. Me and my husband, we used to date in this place. Imagine. So we used to date in this place. So as you can see, this place before, when the last time we came here, like 2 years back, it was under construction. But look at now. It's all done and finished. And this one also. So this is the view on the beach, and it's not also crowded. Unlike to the other beach, it was too crowded. So this one is just not much people. Maybe because we came early. We came here around 10 o'clock now. So those are the building at the back. See, this is how it is. Tall buildings is there, and on that area where you can, there's, lots of restaurant in this area. On the beach there are some restaurants, hotels, shopping malls. If you want to go, there's some hotels. And that other place that we used to go, that was just an empty place. Joy so much on the beach. She's always looking forward on weekend. So that's why we don't have to miss this Fridays. So this is the time that we can take her out. Because Saturday also my husband is working, so nobody will drive us around. So look at them. They're having good time. As you can see guys, there is a camel on the beach. Guys, there is camel on the beach. As you can see, here comes. It's paid. You can ride on, but you have to pay. So now we are here in the shade now because it was too hot. It was too hot there on the beach. So now we are here. So here, as you can see, helicopter. And this brown room, this one is the washroom. That's washroom. And it's paid guys. 5 dirhams for 2 minutes. So you have to be quick. It's a very beautiful place.
Hi guys. And welcome to my new home.
And these are the 2 monkeys.
Hey, I'm not a monkey.
Now we are heading now. We are done on the beach. Now we are heading to have our lunch. But mostly here, restaurant will open by 1 o'clock. But now it's 12. So we cannot wait. So this is how it looks like. So every entrance there will be a temperature check. So this is outside. In our right side is on the beach, and our other side is the main way, highway. But we're gonna have KFC or McDonald's. All the restaurants in this area. So many to choose from. KFC. After on the beach, we came to the mall. We're inside the mall. So Holdy will be outside today. Come. This is mall.
Mama, camel?
Yes.
Mama, 1 minute.
Come na.
Mama,
Yes.
1 minute.
Yes. So this is the mall in Dubai. This is IBN Batuta Mall. What is that? See? IBN Batuta Mall. Gap store. See. Isabella, what happened to you? Piggy bank? Huh? Okay. You know, this is nice. I remember when I was small, used to play this thing.
Can I take it, Mama?
Huh?
Can I take it? I really want it. Mama?
You want that?
Yeah.
How many do you want?
What?
Okay, come, let's take more. Which one?
Yo.
How about shoe?
Fluffy.
So many shoe. Huh? Which one you want?
This is the shoe. This is the shoe.
Oh my god, that's too big.
Oh my god, that's me.
How about the sparkly one?
Huh?
How about the sparkly one?
This one?
Yes.
I want it.
No, no, you have that at home.
Yeah.
We have to get this for your school actually.
This is.
Go, go,
Where?
go.
Where?
See those? Here,
Where?
take those things.
Papa, I like it.
What is that?
This one, I like it.
No, we don't need that. Which one more you want? It's shopping day for you today?
This one?
Yes.
This?
No, no, I don't want that.
Wow, it's so cool. That's why it's so cool. Slime. Slime, Mama, inside a pineapple.
Slide pineapple?
Yeah, slime. Pineapple.
Isabella, what did you buy? What did you bought?
Yo-yo.
It's a yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Wow. Come na, what are you doing? You finish your shopping na? Come na.
Yo-yo.
Mama.
Can I put it now?
We are in H&M.
Mama, can I put it now?
Okay, go ask Dada.